Today I want to learn the top shot card trick, which consists of getting the top card of the deck over to your other hand. And as you can see, I have a lot of work to do, and from the looks of it, it could take a while. I 100% have no idea what I'm doing. The goal at this point is simply just to get the card to come off the pile without the rest of the pile following suit. No pun intended. The hand positioning, I feel like that's where I'm struggling most. Let's look it up. I mean, welcome back. Step one, getting the grip down, feeling comfortable, getting it out of the hand. That's where we go first. Squeeze hard at the top. It allows you to hold on. Then you use your pinky down at the bottom, and it starts to let you kind of pick and pull without having to worry about losing the deck. As you can see, like, they're starting to fly. It's that feeling when you just make this much progress. So we're gonna start to work on kind of flicking them out and seeing if we can kind of make some progress. I think I'm close. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All in like a couple of hours, we've figured it out. It is just like anything else that you're learning that's new, and it's about practice, and practice makes perfect. So the goal is going to be just to get faster and stronger over the next couple of days, and we'll see where we are sometime after that. All right, back with day 2. Lots of practice today, very little progress, but that's okay because I've learned some things along the way, starting with the grip. Now, we've talked a lot about how tight grip will help you kind of like throw it off, and it will. It'll help you at least have an understanding of how the trick works. But the next step to that is starting to build that tension between the thumb and the pinky. That's what I've picked up today, and it's helped me a ton. The more that you can kind of build that tension, get things out of the way, and practice that, it actually like sends it across. Like we're actually seeing the ability to catch rather than just like kind of holding it down here and like basically dumping the card out using gravity. As we approach the end of day 3, I think I've learned so much more than I thought I would. Now, I'm not a master at the skill by any means, and I don't think that I would enjoy learning a skill that you can master in 3 days. But what I will say is I've learned the path to actually learn and eventually master the skill, and that's what I enjoy. My goal for the future of this channel is to just learn new things at least once a month. And so hopefully I can bring you along with me. You know, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave any comments if you have an idea of something that I can learn. I'm always happy to try new things and practice everything. Thank you for sticking around, and have a great day.